What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in the Chevy Equinox remote key fob. This Chevrolet Equinox key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the key blade out. Then I'm going to hold the fob with the buttons facing down, and I'm going to remove this back cover right here. So what I like to do in that space where that key blade flipped out of, just get a couple fingers in there like that, and then put my thumb down here and just kind of peel that back cover back like that. Now we see our battery right here, and you may be able to get this out just with your fingernail, kind of on the edge of the battery. What I like to do is grab a small flathead screwdriver and just get under it like that and pop it out. Then I'll grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing that with the plus side up. And taking a look at this holder, you can see this side kind of has that plastic piece that gives it somewhat of like a flat side. That's the side we want to tuck in first. So tuck it in there like that, and then press it down into the holder. Then we can snap our back cover on, put our key blade down, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.